everyone. First of all, thank you for having me here, and thank you for being part of our project, a project that not only us are proud of, but the whole Kuwait is proud of, by the whole nation of Kuwait, because you're not building any project, you're building an educational project, and usually educational projects are the top project in any country, and they're always get in the picture and people appreciate what we do. But at the end, it's not us that are constructing, it's you guys. So it's a big thank you. I forward it for all the thanks we receive to all of you, and for all the energy and the sadness that you have being away from home. We welcome you.
And this is a record for China's state.
Coming today, and we're so happy to collect our labor here this day only for the labor, to celebrate by them, to follow our safety rules.
Thank you all for the beautiful celebration. Thank you all for being here.